Now we're going to talk about something that I kind of do on my own. Just made me a new batch. And I want some individuals kind of showing you how to do it. I suggest you look on your own on how to put these things together for yourself too. Because this is power. I'm pretty sure you can see this is a really powerful probiotic. Okay? Very powerful. Okay? So I'm going to get right to it. Let them play. I'm going to let them get that information. Okay? You know, listen, what did I say? My mom almost passed away. Sauerkraut juice saved her life. Let's see what she's talking about. Don't fall for the, she said, probiotic. Mm.
All these things, you guys, you see on Instagram, all this collagen and colostrum and probiotics, it's pretty much all just gimmicky bullshit. Your sauerkraut that you made with your bare hands in your kitchen on your wooden cutting board with the bacteria that you live around, that you ferment on your countertop, is a bazillion times better than any stupid probiotic you could take in a plastic bottle.
Okay. Yeah, because this really ain't nothing but a cabbage. You know, I think it was not even a half a cabbage. Yeah, about a half, close to a half a cabbage. You know, to put the core cut up in there, had that in the middle too. Some salt. You know, let's listen. It's very, I mean, extremely beneficial. But let's listen to other people. You don't hear nothing from Kareem, right? You know, I just know a little something. I want other individuals showing you how you can get it in. Let's listen.
This is plain sauerkraut, but it's one of the most powerful foods you can keep in your fridge.
Make kraut.
Not just for flavor, but for digestion, gut balance, and the brine itself. That liquid you see, that's not waste. It's alive. Kraut brine is loaded with lactic acid bacteria, organic acids, and enzymes that support digestion, help regulate the gut, and even kickstart other ferments. It's the reason one jar can turn into many. And the wild part, it all starts with just cabbage and salt.
Cabbage and salt. Now, see, a lot of people saying to themselves, Kareem, why are you showing all this crap? It just gets on my nerves. I just want to go ahead and eat. Listen, I know you just want to get out there and eat, but keep this in mind. You're literally eating trash. Nothing is in it. It's pretty much stripped out of everything nutritional and beneficial to your body, your organs, to your gut. Okay? So if it's stripped, you have to be smart since you eating the crap trash anyway. At least put some good nutrients and good things in the gut so it can survive. So you can help out your organs and your cells. So you can help out you. You can help out your immune system. All right?
Two solid ways to salt cabbage. The classic way is salting it in a bowl and squeezing until the liquid releases. It works, but it breaks the cabbage down more and gives you a softer kraut. The way I prefer is packing the cabbage straight into the jar and pressing it until its own liquid rises and covers everything. You're aiming for about a 2% salt ratio by weight. And if the cabbage doesn't release enough liquid, you don't force it. You top it off with a
You got to burp it every now and then too. Smell it.
salt brine just to keep everything submerged. The brine becomes your tool. You can use it to support digestion, add a splash to meals, or use it to kickstart the next batch, a method called backslopping. That's how people made endless ferments long before modern kitchens. Plain
So it's not like you have to rely on these kind of like watered down probiotics. Okay? Pills and capsules. You can pretty much eat clean or make your own. Mother Nature's a beast. Look. Hold on. Listen to this young lady. She gonna go in. Let me let her play.
Listen up, because if you're feeling bloated or sluggish, you might be missing something. And it's called good bacteria. And you know where you could get it from? Sauerkraut, because it's a fermented food loaded with probiotics to bring your digestive system back into balance. And here's what sauerkraut does for you. Number one, it rebuilds the good bacteria in your gut, aka your second brain, not the other one, you freaks.
Your second brain in your gut. You have to understand the neurotransmitters that she's talking about. Okay, you got them in your brain and you have them in your gut as well.
Number two, it breaks down your food, helping with digestion. Number three, it reduces bloating, gas, and digestion discomfort. Yeah, you want some? And number four, it supports your immune system because 70 to 80% of your immunity lies in your gut.
Is that right? Is that true? Yeah. And here you are not even focusing on what you're putting in your gut. Okay? And you wonder why you're coming down with certain types of issues and diseases because you're having leaky gut from the stuff that's tearing up the lining of your digestive tract.
Because the body knows. And here's how you know you need it. Because you have a white coating on your tongue. You have brain fog. You feel a little weird after each meal. Your body knows and it's telling you need to clean up in there. And I suggest you use a wooden spoon for that because I shared with you in the previous video the benefits of wood.
A wooden spoon? Okay.
Y'all grandma ain't teach y'all the benefits of wood? Your grandma was on the party bus, huh? She probably taught you about the other wood, though. Not the benefit of this wood. All that stuff you're going through, including breakouts. You know, your face, you ain't got to peel your face off. You just got to fix your gut. Yeah,
Just fix your gut.
fix your gut. Stop getting all them face peels. That ain't what the body's saying. The body's saying they got too much of bad bacteria in here. I need some fermented foods up in here. You remember grandma and them used to can all kind of stuff? They was fermenting the stuff, baby. That was a bit.
My mother used to can all kinds of things. All kinds. All kinds.
Can all kind of stuff. They was fermenting the stuff, baby. That was a beneficial bacteria. Anyway, a spoonful, preferably a wooden spoonful, of raw, unpasteurized, fermented sauerkraut can be added to your food daily. Your stomach is gonna love it, and you're gonna feel the difference.
Yeah, your stomach gonna love it. For sure. For sure. What you're doing is you're correcting your gut. But let me give you some power information about the actual good probiotics of sauerkraut, aka cabbage. Okay, it restores healthy gut bacteria, aka it's an actual wonderful, strong 10, 20, 15 times stronger probiotic than you buy in the store. Improves digestive tract instantly. You only need anywhere between, you just need like a tablespoon. You can add the juices. You can literally just like take the juices out and put it in your food like a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons a day. Boom. It's going to be a different. What is it? What else? Strengthens the immune system. 70% in your gut. Your gut is 70% of your immune system. So it strengthens it. Okay. Supports your brain and your mood and your gut's brain both at the same time. Your gut and your brain simultaneously. It improves all of that. Okay. It actually helps relieve constipation and bloating, increases nutrients and absorbing of the nutrients. It helps detox helpful bacteria. Okay. It rebuilds the gut micro. All right. Packed with live probiotics. Helps replace the bad bacteria with good bacteria. It helps the lining of your gut, which I said, it actually closes that issues if you have leaky gut. It promotes healthy gut. It's a beast when it comes to your gut. It's nothing you can stop when you taking sauerkraut, aka cabbage, for your gut. Huh? It's all you need, almost sometimes, for your gut. All right, I need to stop. Focus, mood, clarity. I mean, vitamins, minerals, amino acids is pretty much got it all. It's a lie. It's a lie. You know why? Once again, something as simple as this, just trying to educate you about Mother Nature's gift to healthy living. I'm Kareem. Peace.
Do you have questions about your health or business development and strategies? Herbalist Kareem is now offering private one-on-one consultations where you can receive personalized guidance based on your situation. Visit 4cyclesoflife.com to learn more. The consultation link is in the description.